Welcome back to my channel, and today I will share with you guys a new feature I just discovered on Instagram while I still can, as I'm on 19%, as you can see. So you're going to go to your Instagram profile and you're going to see these three lines at the top here, and you're going to see this thing called scheduled content, and you're going to tap this and it's going to say you haven't scheduled any content, so schedule a post. So let's schedule a post. So I've just drawn this cheesecake for a small business, and I'm going to prepare the post right now. Next. And let's make the caption. Let me show you how to schedule the post. So the options aren't going to be here, they're going to be in advanced settings, and then you're going to tap schedule this post. But it's good to know that some features such as cross-posting to other accounts are unavailable for scheduled content, meaning if you want to share this to another account, you won't be able to if you're scheduling the content. So now let's choose a date and a time. So let's say I want to do it for today and not 1 AM. Let's do 2 PM, 1 PM. 1 PM is good. Let's press done. And it should schedule the post just like that. And a lot of the features have actually disappeared, such as the thing, but you can still add captions and all. But that just shows you that it's ready to schedule the post whenever. And I think to do that you just press share, don't you? Was I supposed to do that? Oh, your post is scheduled for August 3rd, 1 PM. Perfect. So if it's scheduled and I didn't add the caption and I wanted to edit this, then you would go back to the three lines in the top right and you'd press scheduled content, and then you would click on the post that you want to change the caption of, and then you press edit post, and then you can edit your post like that, which is nice. It was lovely to know this feature because you know the other apps like Later, and there's a new one called Buffer for Instagram. You wouldn't really need those anymore since you have this amazing feature here. I'm not sure if this does it also for Reels. Let's check. So if we go, what we can do is actually just tap the add button and then make a reel, and then maybe we can schedule it like this. Let's see. Let's just see, and then we'll press next and then go to advanced settings and then schedule this reel. Perfect. Okay, lovely. So now that we know this works, you can now schedule your posts and your reels. Let's see if you can schedule stories. I doubt it because stories are quite instantaneous. They're supposed to be in the moment in the moment posts. So let's just take a picture. Yeah, okay, so you can't schedule stories, which is fine. You can only schedule posts and reels. Okay, I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!